Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see that why our Virgin TV is not working. So there could be many reasons for this. So to identify that individual reason, you can run a test, and for that go to the official support page of Virgin TV. Now log in into your account, and there you will get a list of all of your devices. Now if everything is working properly, then you will see all these options in green, but if there is an issue, then you will see a yellow marking, and in order to find that issue, simply run a test and you will get the list of the issues. Now after seeing that issue, simply contact the customer support of the Virgin TV, and if your issue needs an engineer, then you also have an option to book an engineer. Now if you don't have any service issue and still your TV is not working, then simply go to the official help page of Virgin TV and you will get a list of different types of problem registered. Now choose the problem which you are facing and you will get the steps to fix your problem. This page will provide you help related to almost all the problems. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.